Hi, my name is Melissa. Welcome to my video. Today we're going to be looking at the stomach massage on the reformer, which happens to be one of my most favorite exercises ever in the method. So without further ado, let's go. Set yourself up on 4 springs, heels together, toes apart, elbows wide, heels lifted, gazes forwards. Right, let's do 1 for precision. Keep heels together, hug your midline strong, abdominals in and up, lower the heels under the foot bar and resist your springs to come back in. Let's go again. Push out, scoot those abdominals in and up, heels under the foot bar, hug your midline really strong, resist your springs to come in. Keep your shoulders into your back. Firm grip of your carriage. Try to find the flow. Keep your form, keep your precision. Keep your shape. Smile. Let's drop a spring. So you're now on 3 springs. We're going into flat. Arms can be behind you, open through the collarbones and the chest, or they can be against the shoulder blocks, or they can be even closer towards you. The idea is that on flat, you need your shoulders stacked over your hips, okay? So decide, set yourself up, and let's get ready to go. Okay, strong hug of your midline, heels together, lower them under the foot bar. The hugging of the heels and the thighs is non-negotiable, okay? Non-negotiable. Lift and open through the heart, through the sternum. Make sure your elbows are slightly soft. Mine are a little bit locked. You should have them slightly soft. Push out and heels under and lift and come back in. Resisting your springs. Find your flow. Keep your form. Keep your shape. Keep your precision. Keep your control. Voila. Okay, here we go. Drop another spring. So now you're on 2 springs. And now we're going into reach. Arms frame. Scoop the abdominals in and up nice and strong. Yes, just like that. Okay, and your arms are actually informing your spine, right? So you are scooping those abdominals. You are still hugging your midline. Your heels have not come apart, not even once. Keep them pressing firmly. You can imagine you're holding a 50-pound note between your heels. And resist your springs as you come in. Do not let the carriage just come in by itself. Resist. Here's the reach, twist and open. Close it back. Find your form. Open, twist and open. Here's the precision. Twist, 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 twist. And then coming back in. All right, let's go again one more time. Scoop those abs. Keep those heels connected. They must stay connected. And coming on in. Okay. Well, that was fun. Let's have a little stretch. Okay, so I'm just holding the foot bar here. I'm lowering my heels under, scooping my abs back in opposition, and just having a nice little moment before I finish. Ta-da! See you next time. Bye!